Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I am showing you here my real phone how you can do a KYC. First of all, this video is only for education purposes. I am not responsible for any illegal use. Okay, you can use the KYC camera inside any application. Even I will show you running it inside a WhatsApp, a Telegram, inside any application you can run it easily. So first of all, you have to watch the video very carefully, then you will understand. For example, let's open a Telegram. Okay, when I open a Telegram, here I hide my private chat, that's why I comment save messages. As you can see, if I click here on camera, my real camera is not opening. I put a video, so it's just, as you can see, it's a video loading. You understand? So for example, if you want me to use any other video, let's use this one. Okay, this is a picture. Let's use any, you can also use any picture, you can also use any video. For example, let's suppose use this video. It's a 3-second video. I convert an image into a video, so let's use it. Okay, I put that video with my tools, and now I can open a Telegram again, and I can come here, and if I click here, as you can see, it's already spoofed. Everything is working perfectly. It's not detecting my real camera. You understand? So let's try for any other application. For example, let's try it for this application, which is open camera. Okay, as you can see, it's also working here. I can also go to videos. As you can see, it's image and now it's video. Okay, so you can capture your photos from here, you can create a video, you can do whatever you want to. Okay, so this is how actually it's working. It's also working in rooted devices, it's also working in non-rooted. So you don't, if you are a non-rooted device, so you don't even need a rooted phone. Okay, so let's try any other application. For example, let's check for WhatsApp. Okay, first I will show you inside the WhatsApp. If I come here, if I click here on camera, even you can spoof your camera inside a video calls. Okay, for example, if I come here inside the camera application, you see here the camera. If I click here, now it will open my real camera. If I pick the phone, you can see it's my real camera. Okay, now I'm going to spoof this camera and I will show you. Even if I click here on videos, there is nothing. It's my real camera. You can see here it's my real camera. Okay, so now I'm going to spoof the camera and I will show you now. For example, let's suppose I'm just spoofing it with any video. For example, this main video right here, or this one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so just watch the video carefully, you will understand. Okay, so now open, I already spoofed the camera, and now we can click here. I'm going to click here on my status, and if I click here on camera, you can see my camera is spoofed successfully. I can create the video properly, and if I click here, the video will be going to start. If I click here, I can take the photo. So it's, everything is working. Now you can also use that same photos or that same thing for video call. For example, if you are calling someone video call, then you can spoof your camera. For example, if you are using that, for example, if this photo I'm using inside the camera. Okay, so if I call someone, they will not open my real camera, they will see that face. Okay, you understand? So let's call any person. Okay, let me find someone, any private number, so I will call them and you will understand. Okay, just wait. For example, this person right here, I don't know him, who is him. Okay, so I'm going to call him now. If I click here on video call, as you can see, if I call him, so my real camera will be not open. Okay, as you can see, the camera is just open with another. You can see, let me show you. As you can see here, just wait for a second. I think they are not registered or whatever the issue is, so the camera will be spoofed. You will not, your original camera will be not open, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, even I can show you the proof with a chat. For example, if I click here on camera, you can see here the image. If I click here on video, okay, you can see the same photo. If I click here on video, not, so I think, as you can see, it's another thing, same photo. Okay, so here now, for example, let's for example, if I want to test the face, or if you want to do a KYC inside any phone, I can just show you A to Z here, because for YouTube community guidelines, and this video is only for education purposes, so I'm not going to take any risk. Okay, it's all for illegal use. I'm not responsible for any it's not for illegal use. Okay, I'm not responsible if you use it for any illegal use. Okay, so if you need any help, you can contact me on my Telegram. My contact info is in my description. So see you next video. Take care. Love is.